Welcome to today's tutorial. I will show you how to install or enable Hyper-V on Windows 11. Hyper-V allows you to create virtual machines on your Windows 10 installation. There are a few requirements for enabling Hyper-V. First, make sure you are running Windows 11 Pro, Education, or Enterprise editions. If you have Windows 11 Home version, this will not work for you. First, let's check to see if we have virtualization enabled. In the search box, type Task Manager, and then we'll click Open. On Task Manager, let's click on the second tab here for Performance. Here we have the details of our CPU. Look for virtualization, make sure it's enabled. If it's enabled, it's okay to proceed now. If virtualization is not enabled, you need to see if your CPU is compatible with virtualization. You need to go into your BIOS and look for any settings dealing with virtualization and make sure it's enabled. Usually you can find this information on your motherboard's installation manual or the manufacturer's documentation. Now let's enable Hyper-V. Go into your search bar, type Windows Features, and then we'll click here on Turn Windows Features on or off. Here we have all the features. Here is where we can enable Hyper-V. So here we have Hyper-V. Let's extend the Hyper-V boxes. Make sure everything is checked. Click OK. Now Windows will apply the changes. All right, now we need to restart our PC. All right, our PC is now restarted. Go to the search bar, type Hyper-V. We'll click on Hyper-V Manager. And as you can see, Hyper-V has been successfully activated. Here is where you can spin up new virtual machines. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled Hyper-V on your Windows 11 installation. Check out my next tutorial. I'll show you how to set up a new virtual machine and install Windows on it. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Have a great day.